Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Reggae icon Capleton is feeling blessed following his first United Kingdom performance in over a decade. Last month, the fiery Rastafarian made his grand return after 13 years, delivering a show-stopping performance to some 30,000 fired-up concert-goers at City Splash Festival that celebrates the impact of Caribbean and African culture. Speaking recently with the Gleaner, Capleton shared that he was feeling majestic and it was a joyful one for him. He went on to say it was like the first time gracing the stage in the UK and described the feeling as a blessing. Youngsters take season 18 of Charles Chocolate Dancing Dynamites. It was non-stop pandemonium Saturday evening for the grand finale of the Caribbean's #1 dancing competition. Charles Chocolate's Dancing Dynamites, as sponsors, family, school community and patrons flocked to the auditorium for one of the most exhilarating staging of the competition. Creating history, George Headley Primary walked away as the first ever primary school to take the title.
I love that George Headley grew from the first performance all the way to seeing them tonight. What was really cute and funny about the clash tonight, you know, they randomly chose 1 and 2. And I don't know if you remember that the very first time that they were supposed to clash, you know, Famous Overcome said, we can't, you know, so we're going to actually just give them the money. And they did that. They gave them the money because they said they thought it was unfair. But over time, George Headley learned and they got better and then they were clashing and they really turned up.
Entertainment and Culture Minister Olivia Grange, who presented the winning trophies, lauded executive producer Jenny on the initiative.
I really want to congratulate Jenny for conceptualizing and producing and really have kept this competition going for 18 years. And Dancing Dynamites is a manifestation of that great talent that Jamaicans have.
Now, Jenny spoke to her surprise of the show running for 18 years.
I saw 10. I didn't see 18. So we're going to stretch it to 20 and see what the Lord has in store. But so far, the Charles Chocolate's Dancing Dynamites competition, the only competition that gives the most money, that invests the most in talent, and we are very happy.
Now, still on Dancing Dynamites, in a heartfelt moment caught off camera, George Headley Primary awarded one of their scholarships from Edna Manley to Damara, fifth former from ODP dancers.
Our robe is on its way from Aberdeen St. Elizabeth to Edna Manley. Yes!
They also gave their winning tour with Razor B to Famous Overcome due to age restrictions. Now, such great moments. Love that. Congratulations again to George Headley Primary. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.